guys, welcome to our channel.
CC Gang.
Welcome to Bell's World TV. We're deciding on the name. Him saying I like it, so we decided to change it again. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. So here we're gonna jump in our challenge here. It's the no hand kissing challenge, where we're going to put our hand behind me. And we're gonna try the challenge behind me.
No matter.
Behind me.
Alright.
So anybody will win, anybody will lose a challenge here. I have to come up with the next challenge. So remember, we'll start uploading on a Wednesday every week. 1 day of the week. So it's on a Wednesday. So
You ready to be defeated?
You
Ready to be disgraced?
If we could last forever and ever, then we would. Long as the guys will let us keep this loving going till it all loved out, till we're riding on the edge of new millennia. 'Cause we don't want it to ever end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to ever end. We both know this could be over.
One out of 5 stages. Five.
Jiggling up,
Jiggle.
It's going on you too.
Jiggle. Let's go. Ready?
Again?
Ready?
You ready? Are you ready?
Wanna ready?
If we could last forever and ever, then we would. Long as the guys will let us keep this loving going till it all loved out, till we're riding on the edge of new millennia. 'Cause we don't want it to ever end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to ever end. We both know this could be over, but right now, just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the best time. Kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now, just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the best time. Kiss me like you're still mine. Kiss me like you're still mine. Kiss me like you're still mine. It's so hard to walk our separate ways when all we ever said was how we make it someday. Every time I get up to leave, all these consequences come and linger on me.
People. Somebody now.
We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to.
Him say him give up. So look out for the next challenge. You must decide on 1 year. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel. I'm Kavian.
Bells. Well.
Remember, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and just tell where you want to know. We need to go a 50 subscriber before August 19th. That is my birthday.
Uno comment to next challenge, people. Give us something for the people. We challenge it. We deal with it. Anything. That's right. That's right. That's right.
Yes, the challenge begins.